Okay, so recently Slack announced HUDDLES, Slack HUDDLES. So this is a new feature which will be available on paid plans only. So if you have a free version of Slack, it won't be available. And they started releasing it June 30th, and by early August, all customers should have access to HUDDLES. So what is that? So probably you've heard about Clubhouse or Twitter Spaces. So there is a new like real-time audio wave, and all the apps basically try to integrate some audio feature in their apps. So Telegram, Discord, all of these apps just trying to create some audio experience. And I think same goes to Slack. So the idea is that that Huddle is basically just like a audio conversation which can have up to 50 participants. So yeah, it's like a like audio video meeting. No, it's just audio meeting, but it's much easier to set up than, for example, using Zoom link in Slack and just inviting like 50 participants or like 10 participants. So yeah, so you can join the huddle when it starts. All members will receive an invitation. You can share your screen, turn on live captions. So yeah, so to start a huddle on desktop, you just open channel ODM, click the headphones toggle. Then you can just click the microphone icon to mute your microphone and then add people. And then you can also turn on live captioning and all of that. Then to leave huddle, just click the headphones toggle, and that's that. Also, toggles will be available on mobile apps, so just open channel or DM. You can tap antenna icon in the top right corner of the screen. You can tap the microphone icon or add the people to, yeah. So that's that, and then you can also just leave the huddle. So there you have it. Unfortunately, in Slack instances, I still don't have it, so won't be able to share it right now. But once it's available, I will of course create a quick video overview for you. But anyways, just check out if you have that antenna icon on mobile, or do you have headphone toggle in the bottom left corner of your sidebar in Slack. So hope that is helpful.